Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Rishi 07. Today I have something truly exciting for you, the all-new Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This smartphone has taken the tech world by storm with its powerful performance, groundbreaking camera system, and premium design. So in this video, I'll break down all the details about this incredible flagship device. Let's get started. 1. Premium design and display. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a true flagship device in terms of design. It comes in a stunning silver chrome finish, giving it a sleek and futuristic look. The phone has a height of 161.3 millimeters, a width of 75.3 millimeters, and a thickness of 9.48 millimeters, weighing just 229 grams. It feels premium in the hand while maintaining a sturdy build. On the front, we have a 6.73-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED display with a quad curve design. This means smooth edges for a comfortable grip. The refresh rate is adaptive between 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring buttery smooth performance whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. It also features Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 for better durability and supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for a stunning visual experience. With a peak brightness of 3,200 nits, this display is super bright and perfect for outdoor usage. 2. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite Powerhouse. Powering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, a 3nm chipset that offers top-tier performance. The CPU setup includes 2 prime cores clocked at 4.3, 2 GHz for ultra-fast performance, 6 performance cores up to 3.53 GHz for efficiency. The Adreno GPU ensures a seamless gaming experience with high frame rates and smooth graphics. For storage, it offers 16 GB LPDDR 5X RAM with 512 GB UFS 4.1 storage, meaning super fast app loading times and multitasking without any lag. It runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 2, which is based on Android 15, delivering a clean and optimized software experience. 3. Revolutionary camera system, the power of Leica. The biggest highlight of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is its Leica-powered quad camera system. Let's take a closer look at its lenses. Main camera, 23mm, 50 megapixel LYT 900 sensor, 1-inch size, f1.63 aperture, and OIS for stunning low-light shots. Ultra telephoto camera, 100mm, 200 megapixel sensor, super pixel technology, OIS, and f2.6 aperture for breathtaking zoom shots. Floating telephoto camera, 70mm, 50 megapixel sensor, OIS, and f1.8 aperture, perfect for portrait photography. Ultra wide camera, 14mm. For video lovers, the phone can record in 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, 1080p slow motion at 1920 frames per second. The front camera is a 32 megapixel shooter with a 90-degree field of view and 4K recording at 60 frames per second for crystal clear selfies. Battery and charging, power that lasts. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra houses a massive 5,410 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life. It supports 90-watt wired charging, fully charging the phone in just 30 minutes. 80-watt wireless charging, one of the fastest in the industry. The device also includes Xiaomi's 3D dual-channel ice loop cooling system, preventing overheating during intensive gaming or video recording. Additional features and security IP68 water and dust resistance. The phone is waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and AI face unlock for enhanced security, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, and dual SIM plus eSIM support for excellent connectivity, NFC and infrared blaster, perfect for mobile payments and remote control functionalities. There's also a photography kit available separately, which adds a dedicated shutter button, manual controls, and extra grip for camera enthusiasts. Should you buy it? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a beast of a smartphone, offering unmatched performance, next-level camera capabilities, and premium build quality. If you're a content creator, mobile photographer, or power user, this is the ultimate flagship for you. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Rishi07, and comment below your thoughts on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tech savvy.